Many job applicants dread the use of applicant tracking systems, in short the ATS, by employers in general, and the adoption of artificial intelligence, in short AI, for preliminary decision making in particular. In my opinion, those concerns are often justified, but why actually? In this short podcast episode, I'm going to explain the fundamental problem of the use of AI in recruiting, and I'll give you 6 tips for getting your job applications AI ready. Hello and welcome to my podcast channel. I'm Michael Kaiser. I work as an international career coach and I help managers and specialists get the job they want with a new employer abroad. The problem of using AI in decision making lies in the fact that, as impressive as the current state of AI may already be, it is simply not intelligent enough that it should be allowed to make final decisions. So yes, it can be helpful, but should not be trusted beyond a certain degree. One could argue that it will always still be a human who offers the job to the candidate of choice. However, such human interaction is less likely part of the preliminary decision about whether a particular application should be considered by a human at all or not. In other words, if AI is not implemented and used with care, it will likely make final decisions automatically that may frequently be neither in the interest of the employer nor in the interest of the applicants. Don't get me wrong, the use of AI in recruiting can be very helpful if it is integrated in the decision-making processes wisely. So, if AI assists hiring managers and recruiters in making better balanced decisions, the outcome will also be in favor of the truly suitable applicants, especially if they did not hand in perfect application documents, for example. In turn, if it is used without due care, it becomes a dangerous tool in the hands of fools, and the damage to businesses and society caused by it over time can be immense. So, there are good reasons not to leave the matter to chance and prepare for the latter. Here is the good news. There are only a few things you need to look after to put your job applications on the safe side. Here are 6 tips for getting your job applications AI ready. Tip number 1. Focus your job search on networking and try to establish direct contact with the hiring personnel before you send your application documents. Even if you are still asked to submit them through an official channel, you can keep an eye on your documents actually reaching the right person in time in this case. Tip number 2. Provide the information in your CV or resume with a focus on the type of positions you want to apply for and do not get lost in talking about your life in general. Tip number 3. Make sure you present your previous work experience in your CV or resume in a truly convincing way. This information must be specific and concise and focus on your accomplishments rather than just general activities. Tip number 4. Do not present the information in your CV or resume in a tabular format. In other words, there should be only one column like in an ordinary book. This way, the AI algorithms won't get confused by data in the same line belonging to different topics. Tip number 5. Feature a keyword section at the end of your CV or resume. And tip number 6, and my final one, whatever you provide should be machine readable. Do not embed relevant text information in images. Keep in mind that this requirement can concern scans of text documents as well. If you follow these tips, you won't have to worry about ATS and AI anymore. If you would like to learn how to do all of that in detail, my free online guide, Race to the Perfect Job, is already waiting for you. You can find the link to it in the video description. Or, if you would like me to help you with that in person as a professional career coach, I'll be very happy to support you. If this is of interest to you, go to my website and click on the big button to apply for a free orientation call with me. In this call, we will analyze your current situation and needs in detail and we will also find out how I can help you best to reach your goals fast. There is also our LinkedIn group for managers and specialists on the way to their dream job abroad, where you can network with others on this wonderful journey and receive further tips and tricks on the matter several times a week. If you're not a member yet, we hope to welcome you today. If you haven't subscribed to this podcast channel yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Make sure to also activate the bell in order not to miss out on any new episodes in the future. I'd appreciate it a lot if you leave me a like, as this helps others to discover this channel as well. And please leave me a comment with your thoughts, questions and suggestions for future episodes. That's it for today. As always, I wish you the very best for your job search abroad, and today, especially for getting your job applications AI ready, and I'll be back here very soon.